Hello and welcome to another update video about Tesla. Yeah, quick update here because as you would have noticed as well, we had a nice gap up to the upside of this triangle that we talked about in the last video. We have to talk about a few things. The first one is that we still are in this resistance area. So I would primarily at the moment still consider that a B wave, but it's starting to look quite impulsive to the upside. So it's going to be very interesting, but certainly we have pretty much, you could say, an ABC structure complete now to the upside, or very, nearly complete. And the pivot point, the key resistance level here is $278. Above that level, I will start to favor that we might go more directly higher in a third wave rally. Remember, we are generally bullish here on Tesla. There are two different wave counts, two bullish wave counts we're looking at. But primarily, we're currently viewing this move to the upside here as a B wave, as a three-wave move. We had an A wave down, a B wave up, and the expectations would be for a C wave to follow through to the downside. However, this is the relevant support level here, yeah, between $214 and $176, from where technically a third wave rally can start. The way to play this normally is, if anybody, if let's say just how I would normally do it, if I wanted to trade this long, I would wait for a pullback into the support zone. I would try to buy here, here, and here. Stop loss maybe below that level, depending on the situation. And then if it goes higher, then it's all good. If not all positions are filled, that's fine. That's essentially what you want, because you want the trade to go in your favor. The price then rallies into resistance. Partial profit taking can take place, plus moving the stop loss into resistance. And then if it breaks higher, we just let it run, right? And if it comes back, depending on the structure, further entries can be made or not. But now the situation is it's really maxing out what it should do in this B wave. So again, we need to see how the next days are developing. I think key is at the moment here to really understand the relevant levels. What you need to understand is that technically, this is standard resistance for a B wave here, okay? Standard resistance. B waves can overshoot. This is possible. So until I have a clear 5-wave move up and a 3-wave move down, I'm not going to confirm that the wave 2 has ended. Yeah, I will keep the options open for lower. And even at the moment, it hasn't done anything that we haven't talked about. In fact, it has played out exactly what we talked about, which is A, B, and the C wave higher. It's actually covered here currently, A, B, C. And within the C wave, we had a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, the wave 4 triangle, and then the gap up. But because it looks so impulsive, I'm starting to think maybe something more bullish is going on, yeah? Something more directly bullish. So not that we come back again in a C wave, but instead we go up more directly. But for me to believe that, we first of all need to break above 278, and then we will probably seek the previous swing high at $300, and only really above that level, the B wave reduces significantly in likelihood. You need to understand that B waves are the most difficult waves to forecast. They can be very short, they can be very long. Yeah, we need to be flexible with B waves. But as soon as I have clarity that price indeed has bottomed, I will let you know. At the moment, I think all eyes need to be on that $278 level. Yeah, if price goes above it, it will most likely reach 300. And then if we zoom out a little bit, here, you can see that this is forming an inverse head and shoulders. And if the $300 level breaks to the upside, it might go up directly. So it's a very interesting stock at the moment. But again, primary scenario, there's no reason to change it because nothing unusual is happening. So we still stick with our scenario for now. But of course, alternatively, but I mentioned that before, the low of the wave 2 is already in. But I don't really believe it yet. It's absolutely possible, yeah, especially as the pullback reached a 50% retracement. That's actually decent for a wave 2. But yeah, we'll see. The move up is a bit choppy. And therefore, I'm primarily considering it a B wave. So hopefully that gives you a few key levels to watch. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.